The restaurant industry in the US was worth over $780 billion in 2016. That number is continuing to trend upward. If you own a restaurant, you may be able to take advantage of the abundant financial opportunity the industry has to offer. But in order to ensure your continued success, your restaurant needs to be insured. In this video, we'll cover some of the key items you should look for in an excellent restaurant insurance policy. Business income. Imagine if there was a fire in your kitchen and you had to shut down for 2 months to repair damages. Could you afford to have no income for 2 months? For many restaurants, a single week of no revenue could be catastrophic. Business income coverage will help bridge your income if you're temporarily unable to make money due to external factors. Know that business income coverage does not only cover you in the event of a fire. It can also cover appliances breaking down, natural disasters, and more. Property. While business income coverage can help fill income gaps during breaks, it won't replace damaged appliances. Because of the stress kitchens put on their tools and how integral they are to their operation, it's important to have a policy that covers them. Property insurance provisions make replacing freezers, refrigerators, stoves, and grills simple in the event of untimely breakdowns or irreparable damage. Spoilage. Safety standards for the restaurant industry are strict when it comes to food storage. A power outage as short as a couple of hours may render large stocks of your food useless. When this happens, having a policy in place that covers the value of spoiled foods can be helpful. With spoilage insurance, any perishables deemed unfit for sale as a result of an event outside of your control could get covered. Be sure that your restaurant insurance policy has spoliation provisions if you maintain a large inventory of temperature-controlled foods. Liquor liability. If your restaurant serves alcohol, then you need to have liquor liability insurance. With this insurance provision, if someone gets intoxicated at your establishment, any damage they cause to your property will be covered. Think broken glassware, damage to bathroom fixtures, and more. More seriously, if someone gets drunk at your establishment, gets behind the wheel of a car, and fatally injures someone, you'll be covered. Many times, if the offender's assets are nominal, lawsuits will aim to make claims against the restaurant. Take into account the full potential of your liabilities. Many restaurants have been turning to insurance called business owner policies for coverage. The issue that many of these policies carry is that they tend to grossly undervalue your liability potential. Most business owner policies rate coverage based on the value of the contents in your restaurant. So if anything were to become damaged, or your assets were to get seized as a result of a lawsuit, you would be covered for that. What these policies often fail to build into them is restaurant receipts. For example, if you have $400,000 worth of assets, but you are doing millions in receipts each year, the full extent of your liabilities are likely not covered. Making sure your restaurant insurance coverage takes into account the full scale of your potential liability will protect you from needing to deal with costly insurance gaps. Owning a restaurant can represent a tremendous financial opportunity. It can also represent a tremendous liability. From the breaking down of appliances to being liable for injuries on your property, a single lawsuit can put a restaurant out of business. Making sure that you have quality coverage can help ensure your survival through these difficult times. Are you looking for high-quality, dependable insurance for your restaurant or bar? Look no further than insuredasap.com. Visit our site today to learn more. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.